Like Kathy has a beautiful natural office. If you look at her background, it's an office. It's her office. Beautiful backdrop. Myself, I use a virtual backdrop. Okay. And blurred backdrops, those things look great. But the reality is a backdrop. Why I like a virtual backdrop, because if you're somewhere where someone walks behind you or something happens behind you, you don't distract the process. You don't distract the presentation. So that's the first thing when I'm dealing with that. Second of all, is make sure you fit in your box. Okay? Can I say that again? Some of you are like this.
Or some are like this.
Yeah, people can look right up your nose. Or some of you, all they see is the top of your head. Don't put your phone or your camera on your stomach while you're sitting on the chair, because it looks up your body, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Okay, so I know it's a lot we can giggle about. Last thing is, here is something that I share with everybody when I get on a call, especially when working with business owners or running a meeting. Having your camera turned off in an interactive meeting. Now, something like this is so many of us, whether your camera is on or not, we won't see you. But if it's me, Kathy, and Ken in a Zoom meeting or a decision maker meeting, having your camera turned off is like having a conversation with somebody with your eyes closed.